KOHO everything, worth the price tag? Let's break it down. Ever feel like traditional banks nickel and dime you with hidden fees? Yeah, me too. That's why I started looking into fintech alternatives, and KOHO kept popping up. They claim to be a fee-free financial app with some pretty sweet perks. But with all these financial services these days, is KOHO worth it? Specifically, is their premium plan, KOHO everything, all it's cracked up to be? Let's dive in and find out. First things first, for those new to KOHO, it's a prepaid MasterCard linked to a mobile app. You load money onto your KOHO card, just like a debit card, and use it for everyday purchases. They also have a free basic plan with some cashback and interest on your savings, but today we're focusing on KOHO everything, their premium offering. So, how much does KOHO everything cost? There are two ways to pay, a monthly fee of $19 or an annual fee of $228, which breaks down to about $19 a month. Now, that might seem like a chunk of change up front, so let's see if the benefits justify the cost. Here's the breakdown. KOHO everything boasts some pretty enticing features. First up is cashback. You get 2% back on groceries, transportation, and eating and drinking. That's compared to the base plan's 1% cashback on those same categories. So, if you spend a lot on those things, the extra 1% could add up quickly, especially on groceries. Next, KOHO everything offers 5% interest on your entire account balance. That's pretty darn good compared to traditional savings accounts that might offer a measly 0.1%. Now, keep in mind, KOHO isn't a bank, so it's not FDIC insured. But they do partner with a reputable financial institution to hold your money, so the risk is relatively low. KOHO everything also throws in some travel perks. No foreign transaction fees? Check. 1 free international ATM withdrawal per month? Double check. These can be lifesavers if you travel frequently. Now, beyond the financial stuff, KOHO everything offers some quality of life features. Think exclusive card designs, which might not be a game changer, but hey, a little personalization is nice. They also prioritize your customer service requests with a fast lane for chats. Basically, you get to skip the line when you need help. Alright, so KOHO everything sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, before you jump in, let's talk about some things to consider. First, the monthly fee. If you're a casual spender who doesn't travel much, the extra cashback and interest might not offset the $19 cost. Do the math on your typical spending habits to see if it makes sense for you. Second, KOHO everything doesn't offer some features you might find with traditional banks. For example, no checks or bill pay. If those are deal breakers, KOHO everything might not be the best fit. Finally, remember, KOHO is still a relatively new player in the financial game. While they seem legit, it's always good to be cautious with your hard-earned cash. So, is KOHO everything worth it? It depends. If you're a savvy spender who travels often and wants to maximize your cashback and interest, it could be a great option. But, if you're on a tight budget or need traditional banking features, the free plan might be a better fit. Ultimately, the decision is yours. KOHO does offer a 30-day free trial of KOHO everything, so you can test drive it and see if it fits your financial lifestyle. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.